Princess Abante, House spokesperson.
Wow, ang anak ni Congressman Abante inappoint as spokesperson ng House of Representatives. Wow, first time ito nangyari sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Inappoint siya ni Speaker Romualdez.
I believe I will assume starting today as House spokesperson. I will be working closely with all of our media friends here sa House to give the official statements from the House leadership, give updates sa mga exciting times that we are looking forward here sa Congress in the next coming months.
Ma'am, is this the first time na magkaroon ng spokesperson ng House?
As far as I know, yes, na merong hiwalay na spokesperson for the House aside from the members of the House of Representatives.
Ma'am, ano yung nag-raise ng need for this?
Madami na kasi din tinatalakay ngayon ng mga issues ang Kongreso, the various committees. There's a need to strengthen the communication mula sa House to ensure yung tama at makatotohanang impormasyon ay naibababa natin sa mamamayan. Ayaw talaga natin ng fake news, no? Kaya kailangan mas maging maayos yung mga pagpapaliwanag natin ng mga polisiya na binabalangkas ng Kongreso.
Sino nag-tap sa inyo? Sino po nag-tap sa inyo, ma'am?
I've been working with the House since my father was elected as congressman. I think I've worked with several of you when he was the minority leader, and even in his capacity now as chairman of the Committee on Human Rights, I have worked with a lot of our media friends, and also during my stint as the official spokesperson of Mayor Hani Lacuna, I've worked with many of our media friends who are also assigned here sa Congress. No? So recently, House leadership has asked me if I would be interested in joining the communications team to help deliver accurate, transparent, and truthful information for the House of Representatives.
Ma'am, is it Speaker Romualdez who tapped you?
I haven't spoken with the Speaker himself. I have spoken with the House leaderships and the communication.
Ma'am, of course, itong appointment mo sa spokesperson comes at a very high time na, of course, maraming binabato sa House of Representatives. Maraming criticisms regarding, of course, how are you going to approach this job, especially sa mga critics ng House of Representatives?
What I intend to do is to just deliver truthful statements as much as possible, mas maintindihan hindi lang ng mga kaibigan natin sa media, kundi mga mamamayan din mismo, mahimay natin ang mga impormasyon na mas maiintindihan ng tao